Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this Samsung. You need to begin by accessing device's settings and scrolling down just a bit to tap on display. Finally, click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into Tap menu and click on this little icon next to brightness slider. Then tap on the switcher next to adaptive brightness and save your changes by clicking on Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!